This is the subsonic parachute, which has a 30-meter diameter, so it's a lot of material. It weighs a total of 74 kilos. So there's a lot of material that needed to be heated up. The parachute will be baked in a process called dry heat microbial reduction. You heat the oven up to 125 with the parachute inside. You wait for those 50-odd hours, and then you start counting the day and a half that guarantees that everything is killed. Because the parachute is pretty big and pretty dense, you have to cook it. You want to make it like a really well-done ribeye. The parachute behind me has had that process carried out now and is ready to be packed up again for shipping back to the clean facility where it will eventually be installed in the flight model of the Rosalind Franklin landing system. They're going to build bags and wrap it like a Christmas present. A bit more complicated than that, though, because all of that wrapping material has to also be pre-sterilized and checked to make sure it has no contaminants. And once all that's set up, the air is filtered and purged in this clean room. And it requires passing through antechambers and being completely garmented and cleaned and going through air showers to get inside in order to carry out those manipulations. Planetary protection implies that we're protecting the Earth. What it's really doing in most cases when we're going to another planet, in particular where Rosalind Franklin is looking for the possibility of ancient life or extant life on Mars, is we want to make sure that our science is robust, and so we do not want to take any contaminants with us that might ruin that science. It's a big deal that this parachute is finally ready. This is the flight model. This is the parachute that will go to Mars and that will steady the Rosalind Franklin lander on its descent to the Martian surface.